Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Techans. So today I will show you how to create a poll in your Facebook application, and this feature available for all Android mobile and iOS users. So nowadays these Facebook users are increasing by 2.2 billion in every month, and also they released some new updates, and also they fixed lots of errors. But in few months back they launched one of the main update, and the update is called as Facebook poll. So by using this feature, you can easily create your questions and also raise queries from public. But some people does not know how to make polls by using the Facebook. So if you have the same doubt, just follow me friends. So first of all, I try to open my Facebook application via my new Android mobile and then complete your login or sign up processes. So now in this homepage section, you can press that create post section and it is mentioned as write something here. So you can select it, and in bottom it shows some post related features, but you can select poll and then it asks for question. So here I try to type the one question, and in bottom it shows option 1 and 2. So in this option section you can type your answer. So here my question is yes or no type, so I try to enter yes and no. So once your question is ready, finally select your polling time period, which means that how many days this poll is visible in your timeline. But here I try to select one day only. So once the overall process is completed, finally click to share this post in your timeline. So and then you can see my poll is now ready. So friends, you can post your answers. So finally this trick works very smoothly. So this is the way you can easily make your Facebook polls by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Techans, and thanks for watching.